Hi everyone and welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to do a little review of the Vichy cleansing gel. It is the Purité Thermal cleansing gel and I'm just going to show you what I do and how I use it and my review on it and if I think you should go pick it up, if it's a good or if it's poo. So yeah, let's get straight onto it. So I've got my computer next to me. I'm just going to read you quickly what it claims to do. So it is a fresh cleansing gel. It purifies your skin from makeup and sebum, so like oils and pollution from outside the world that we live in. It cleanses and removes pollution and leaves skin feeling fresh and clean. It's suitable for sensitive skin. I will vouch for that, it is, because I do suffer with sensitive skin and I have I suffer with Milia as well, which is actually helping to reduce them. So that's obviously a win-win for me and for you guys if you suffer with Milia. It's hypoallergenic, which just means it's good for your sensitive skin. And it's clinically tested under dermatological control. So they've done studies and they've tested this on different people's skins. I don't know about all the testing that they did on people. I haven't gone too far into the research of that. Again, I've been testing it out on myself for a while, and this is my final thoughts of the product. It has, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, but it has Moringa, and GLYCERIN, ammonite technology, and Vichy mineralizing thermal water. Some fancy water? No, just kidding. So I looked it up and the ingredients. So what does Moringa oil do for your skin? So it's meant to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improves the overall appearance of your skin, and it's meant to soothe inflammation, so any redness. So it will soothe your inflamed skin, basically. Also, what does it do? It can help brighten hyperpigmentation, so help brighten your skin. And it has a lot of vitamin C in it as well. And that ingredient is in this. And I feel like I'm still pronouncing it. I want to say morning oil, but it's Moringa oil. I think that's how you say it. But it has that in it. And so it has a lot of that ingredient on its own, has some amazing skin benefits as well. And yeah, so let's go check this baby out in the bathroom. 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. So I'm here in the bathroom. It comes with a little pump, so I'm just going to pump it onto my hand. I'm just going to wet a bit of my cheek so you can just see what it looks like. And if you look at my eyebrows, yes, they're very thin and sparse, but we're not here for a makeup video today. We're here reviewing this. And it just looks like a clear, slimy gel when you pump it. And it says to avoid the eyes. I didn't put it right over my eyes. I just see, and this goes on really, really white. This one does have fragrance in it. So even if you are sensitive for fragrances, like I am, this doesn't break me out or anything. It's really smooth and easy to use. It lathers up really nicely and thickens up. As you can see, it just goes really white. And then I'm gonna rinse it off. And also, if you're traveling with it, you lock the top so it won't all go everywhere in your bag when you're traveling. So that's really cool. So I've just done that. And then I will rinse it off. Okay, I just rinsed it off and now I'm just patting my skin dry. I have already washed my face with this, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of my skin, half my face already done. Okay, so we did the side of my cheek, excludes my little bumps. I do suffer with Milia, like I said. Just a bit of my cheek that I did, and my skin feels so smooth. My skin feels like a baby's bum, it really does. Okay, I'm back in my recording studio, well, bedroom. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It just makes my skin so soft. And like I was saying before, even though it does have fragrance, it doesn't make my skin all stingy, doesn't make my skin feel tight. It just does all the good things. It makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. I suffer with oily combination skin. So if you do too, then I think you're going to really like this. I'll have a look and see if you can get this without fragrance. I don't know if Vichy do this one without fragrance. I looked on the Boots website. Again, I'll link everything down below for you. This video is not sponsored by them. I've just been using this for quite a while now. I do really love it. So sometimes I go take my makeup off with coconut oil and then we'll wash my face again, get all the oil residue off. But sometimes the coconut oil won't all come off. It will just stay on your skin with like a film almost, which you don't want, which also can cause dirt and other milias to pop up if you're using a rich moisturizer or not cleaning your face properly. That's why then I go in with this, and this just gets rid of everything, but without stripping my skin and making it feel really dry and tight like some cleansers can do. This one doesn't do that. This one's just really, really nice. and I love it. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I also like the ingredients listed in this. There's no horrible nasties apart from the fragrance, which in fragrances they can put in lots of different random things. That's my only nitpick is the fragrance that's in this. Besides from that, and if that doesn't bother you and your skin and you're happy to use that, then I would say check this one out. But I will also link below if I can find this without fragrance in it. But yeah, 5 out of 5 for me. I love it. Makes my skin feel fresh, like a baby's bottom. What more do you want? If this was helpful at all to you, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more reviews. Okay, thank you. Bye.